Today, we're taking a look at the Blaze Prelude LBM series grill. The Blaze Prelude LBM series provides affordable commercial-style grills designed with your barbecue challenges in mind. This Blaze 32-inch freestanding grill comes with 4 commercial-quality 16-gauge 304 stainless steel tube burners that each deliver an impressive 14,000 BTUs of cooking power for a total of 56,000 BTUs on the cooking surface. Durable 8mm stainless steel cooking rods maximize your searing capability on the spacious 748 square inches of cooking space. Push and turn flamethrower primary ignition, backup flash tube secondary ignition, and cross tubes ensure a steady, reliable flame with every start. The removable warming rack is an ideal place to keep veggies and other food heated while you grill. The stainless steel heat zone separators allow for different cooking zones across the grilling surface. This adds to your grilling experience, creating separate zones that can be used for different styles of cooking. The flame stabilizing grid minimizes flare-ups while you enjoy your Blaze grill, and the full-width drip tray makes cleanup a breeze. The stainless steel grill cart features 2 front doors for storing your propane tank, grill cover, and barbecue accessories. The 304 stainless steel grill hood is double-lined to protect the outer layer from heat discoloration, keeping your Blaze grill looking shiny and new. Last but not at all least, the Blaze Prelude comes with a best-in-class lifetime warranty. And this particular grill also comes with a multi-user commercial warranty, making the Prelude perfect for contractors of condominiums, multi-family dwellings, sports areas, or campsites, and just about any other multi-user build-out. That wraps up our look at the Blaze Prelude. Thanks for watching today.